my gosh, I'm so sorry.
It's a little late right now, don't you think?
Is he the owner? I've got to explain this. It was an accident. I'll pay for everything.
I watched you pull that fire alarm without even flinching. Don't turn coward on me now. So what's the next move? You're not actually gonna let them go, are you?
Of course not. We'll keep them around into the wedding. And then take their filthy masks off in front of everyone.
And princess!
Do you think someone else's fiance makes you the victim? Happy act. Are you okay?
Who the hell are you?
Who I am doesn't matter. Now this is the facial expressions, the lighting and the body language. Now this can't be faked by AI. This video is 100% real. No grand finale? I'm disappointed.
You ever seen a cat play with its food? I savor it all. But I don't recall us being good friends. You're my arranged marriage? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry. That was an accident. I promise. He's kind of adorable. And, okay, that was impressively solid.
I guess every proper first meeting deserves a little, welcome present.
Wait, what?
No, I didn't mean... I mean this.
Those snakes.
Hey, they're not worth your tears. I just wanted you to see their true colors. So what's your play?
If war is what they want, then we'll fight fire with hellfire.
Nice how much has burned down the whole circuit. I don't want this two to hurt you again.
What are you two doing here?
Get out!
Oh, relax. That's no way to talk to the people that just saved your life. The baby's fine. That's what the father, and he ran off.
Sorry, the subscriber you dialed cannot be connected for the moment. Please dial again later.
Tell me, Helena, after all of that, did you get everything you wanted?
The condescending smirk! I hate it!
You think you've won?
This baby is Colin's flesh and blood. He'll never leave me! Ugh! Get out that way! Ugh!
This is all your fault! Why are you hiding him from me?
Your trash fire relationship is your own problem. Take it up with the coward himself.
From high school to college tuition, rent. I even paid for your goddamn prom dress. I did everything to you. Why would you do this to me?
Why? Because you exist. I was always prettier, smarter. But no. Look at perfect Kelly Evans. Even Colin, you knew. You knew I loved him first, but you still had to be a little princess, didn't you?
So what? You destroy a 12-year friendship for some petty jealousy?
Friendship? Please. I was just your charity case. Your little sidekick. You wanted to wipe that fake smile off your face for years! Get off me! Where's Colin? I want to see Colin!
Oh, he's gone. For good. All that scheming, and nothing's changed. I'm getting married tomorrow.
You're still marrying him? After all he did? Do you love him? Do you love him?
Love him? I stopped loving him the minute I saw you two in the bridal shop. But you know what they say. The higher the happiness, the greater the fall. And I'm going to love watching him crater.
If you hadn't abandoned me, I would never have stepped with that slut.
You dare. She mortgaged her future to save your dying mother. Her uncle sent her overseas to shop her.
But that can't be. Why is my company...
Bankrupting your company was my pleasure. Kelly wouldn't get her hands dirty. Decades later, you're still blaming women for your filth. You're never even worth her shadow.
You've burned my company to ashes. I have nothing left. What do you have to gain from this?
He never loved me. He loved the Evans Group money. But I, Kelly Evans, bow to no man. We're done, Colin. It's over.
No, we had something real. It was all Alina's fault anyway.
Die, you perfect bitch! She spits on you, and you still beg her. Kill her already.
Kelly, please, help me. I don't know what I've done. I don't know what I've done.
7 days. The revenge. It's done.
What a goddamn roller coaster.
You planned the downfall. From the stock plunge, the bankruptcy, and even the investors.
Every last one. You're never alone, Kelly. Nobody hurts you, gets away with it. My timing might be insane, but I can't leave without knowing. Marry me?
After everything, words you say to me are a proposal? Are you insane? Or am I?
Maybe the chaos just makes things clearer, or maybe we're both insane, but we work.
I don't usually say this, but I adore you. Obviously.